Hello everyone, today we are going to do some stone painting. To start with, we need paints, paint brushes and stones. We went outside and I took help from my dog, but we couldn't find any good stone. So we are going back home and we will make our own stones. For that, take a bowl, put 1 tablespoon white glue and add 10 tablespoons of water. If you want, you can skip making this mixture and use plain water. That is the fun of DIY because you can do it in your way. So, we have added 10 tablespoons of water here. Now, mix it well. Now, take another bowl and white cement or wall putty, whichever is available. Take half cup of it and put it in the bowl. Now, take the mixture and start adding it to the cement. Do not put them all at once. Add 1 spoon at a time, give it a mix and then add another. This way we can perfectly mix everything. Now, it's time to get messy and put your hands into it. Think of it like a dough. We need to bind everything and the texture should be good. The more you knead it, the more it will get a clay-like texture. And yes, it will be better to use gloves while doing all these because this cement makes the hand dry if you directly work with it. I was way too excited to complete it and then regretted not using the gloves. After kneading it a lot, we are ready with the clay. Well, it might not exactly feel like clay, but anyway we are not going to use it for sculpting, right? We will make easy peasy stones. Just roll it in your hands and give it whichever shape you want. Round, oval, flat, your wish. We need to wait for at least 10 hours to dry. After these are dry, they are strong like stones. I don't know if you try breaking them, let me know what happens. Since it was so fun, I have made a few more. You can sand these using sandpaper for a smooth texture. I am keeping aside a few of these to try something different. Don't miss that in the next video. Now to these, let's add the magic of colors. Inspired by the mandala art, I am adding some random designs to this. This is the first time I am trying this and I am just expanding the design according to the space, and these are turning into something. And done! I have painted all the stones and these are looking so cute. Now I have my own collection of painted stones. Each stone has a different color, different design and all inspired by mandala art. Use it as a paperweight or put it into your indoor pots. These will look pretty everywhere. So, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon. Till then, keep bringing your imagination into being.